In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your Canon Imageclass MF451dw printer. So first step is to switch on the printer and then go to the right side of the printer. On the right side you will see there is a button here, so you just have to press it. Now push this outside. Now we can take the ink cartridge out. So you just have to place your hand here and push it out. So that's the ink toner. Now take your new ink toner. Make sure the chip is facing up on the left hand side. Place it here. Just let it go inside. So just push it in. So it will settle here. Now you can close this section. Wait for the ink toner to start and then we are ready to use it. So this way we can replace the ink toner of this printer. Thanks for watching.